Hi, I'm Justin from retailcloud, and today we're going to be unboxing an E500. So here is our E500, which you might have gotten as part of our pay as a service plan. For $79.99 includes the hardware, online, and setup. Pro tip right here, when you're taking this out, if you try to pack these very well so they're not damaged, you want to kind of grab your hand from that side and come right out. Power cable, adapter, and our register tape, because we're going to need that. We're going to go ahead and flip this around, and right on the back, this compartment, you're just going to want to lift up ever so gently. We're going to take our power cord, and we're going to go right where it shows power right there. Go ahead and plug it in the right way. There's only one way. You'll see the little notch right there. And then we're gonna go and get that, seat that right in there and put it the right way. Let's find a little tab right there on the back. Just snap that back on. Connect that to our adapter, and we're ready to power the unit on. And now to power the device on, the power button's right on the side. Just gonna hold that, and the screen should come on like so. It'll take just a moment for it to boot up. And once we are booted up and we're on the screen, we're just gonna click on our service app. In this case, we're using Servio. Also to note that these will come preloaded on the device for you. So click that, and we're ready to go.